Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix if your Bluetooth is not working connecting to mobile or headphones or your speaker, and basically how you can solve the Bluetooth issues that you are encountering. So first thing to do is go over to the Windows search bar and search for services here. And once that is done, you just have to search for the Bluetooth support service here. Right click that, properties, and go over here on startup type. Change it to automatic, and you just have to hit stop here. And once that is done, you just have to click on start there and hit on apply and hit OK. Once that is done, you just have to go ahead and go over and search for troubleshoot settings. So this is step 2. So you just have to click on additional troubleshooters, and you just have to click on Bluetooth under find and fix other problems and run the troubleshooter. So this will find the problems or issues that you are having, and it will automatically fix it for you. So as you can see, it's now fixed, and you just have to hit on close. The third step, guys, is to update the um, Bluetooth driver itself. Go over to the device manager here, and under Bluetooth here, you just have to go ahead and update here the latest version of Bluetooth. So all you need to do is search for that adapter. So for me, this is mine. Go over to properties. Go over to update driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list. And you just have to select a different hardware here and click on next. And that should install the and update the driver for you and fix all your Bluetooth issues. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.